Okay, so my shipment or my package from Nature Republic came faster than expected. So let me do an unboxing or a haul, unboxing, whatever you want to call it. It will still be under the unboxing playlist. Okay, so I have not completely opened it yet because so this is the Nature Republic Argan Essential Argan Essential Hair Care Special Set. I bought a set on Amazon per my friend's recommendation, but this time I bought it straight from Nature Republic because it was a holiday set sale. And they said that shipping would begin November 1st, but it's a little bit before that. So I was really expecting this to come like in November, like next month. But hey, I got it now, so I guess I'm stocked up with shampoo and conditioner for the time being. I'll open it. Yeah. Okay, not the best unboxing. Actually, I think it's okay. Alright, so I'm going to show you. Ooh, it's kind of... Oh, I guess because it was shaking in the package, so it's like slightly... It's not in super perfect condition, but it's good. Like, what matters is like the shampoo stuff. So this is the shampoo. And this is the conditioner, which I will use once I run out of the current ones that I have. Alright. Okay, let's continue looking. Haha. Dude. I love face masks so much. And I think I bought the buy 10, get 10 free. So, you know, basically half off. So, this is the Aloe. This is the acai berry. And I'll open one package because they should all have the same... They should all have like the same types of masks. Like, so I have two of each one. So there's like, yeah. Okay, so I guess I'll open up the Aloe one. I like how it's nicely packaged, or at least a face mask, so then it's easier like to put in. So okay, let's do Aloe. Huh. Oh, actually no, there's different ones in each one. Okay, you know what? Here's the Aloe. Just for you guys, I'll open another one too. This is the royal jelly. So there's, I guess, two in each little package thingy. Chamomile or chamomile, however you would like to pronounce it. Okay. Avocado and tea tree. Okay, let's open the other one. Okay, so this is the one with the acai berry. Yeah. Hold on. Oh, face masks make me so happy. So happy. Okay. Here is the acai berry. Tomato. Orange. Ooh, so pretty. Rose. And green tea. Okay, so those are 10 different types of face masks. Okay, let's see what else I've ordered. Okay, so since I ordered $75 worth of stuff, I I got free shipping, and I also got some free K-pop goodies, which I will show as well. Alright, I don't know if I really... Ooh. Okay, so I also bought some mini hand sanitizers. I'm actually going to make like... Okay, let me show you the hand sanitizers. Hand sanitizers. Okay? which I'm going to put into little care packages for friends. So, you know, if you're my friend and we're gonna see each other soon, you'll get a little package. But I'll show you like the 6 different flavors, 6 different types. So yeah, it's a good value. So I got it on sale too because I bought it in bulk, obviously. I think, okay, I got, how much did I? Okay, so I got 30 for 40, but normally it's $2 each. So if I'm doing my math correctly, 30 times 2 is $60. So I got 30 for $40. So I saved 20 bucks. Okay, let me show you the different types. I think because there's 6. Okay, so you see, Camellia, Peppermint, Grape, Apple, Rose. Let me see if I can show you better. Okay. And there's one more, which I need to find somewhere in here. 2, 3, 4, 5. And there should be apple. Oh, okay, there you go. Is that right? Did I get everything? And raspberry. Okay, so it's raspberry. So the 6 types, I'm gonna go over them again. What you just saw: raspberry, rose, camellia, apple, peppermint, and grape. All right. Okay, so those are the things I ordered, and now let me show you the K-pop stuff. Yeah. Okay. Stay. Okay. So, haha. Oh, okay. So I don't know the members of the band names for EXO, but I will show you the postcards, and if you know them, that's awesome. But I love their songs. Okay. Oh, how cute. Okay, hold on. Before I show you stuff, let me double check if I have anything else in here. Nope, just packing peanuts and bubble wrap, as far as I can see. Okay, let me show you. I haven't opened it yet at all. My postcards. Oh my goodness, these are really nice. Wow, like they even have it like, okay, I'm not gonna take it out, but they even have it in individual sleeves. Wow, look at this awesome packaging. These are the EXO members. I might send to friends who like EXO. I like them too. Wow. Oh my gosh, imagine if these were like shinier eyes one. I'd be so happy. Okay, EXO group members, and then the last thing I'm going to show you, they said that it also includes like a little poster thingy of some random group or some random member. Like, I didn't get to choose, but hey, it's free. So I think this is a little fan thingy. See? NCT 127 Yuta. Okay. Well, that was my Nature Republic haul. Unboxing. Whenever I go to SoCal, oh my gosh, I'm packing peanut thing. I normally go to Nature Republic to get face masks and other skincare products because they work for my skin. And I like the shampoo and the conditioner as well. So it's one of the skincare stores that I recommend. Okay, thanks for watching.